This is the Suspenz
End
Kayak cart that we recently purchased. We viewed a lot of different models and decided upon this one for simplicity of use. So if you can see here, it is one solid piece. It came and it had to be assembled, had to put the tires on and some screws put in. But other than that, it is pretty much ready to go. And all you have on this model is one bungee strap. Larry, do you want to hold the bungee strap out? So then we want to show you what it looks like getting it on the kayak. It goes on the end, and then also what it looks like for dragging it around. So you lift the end on, and then you come around to the front or the middle just to get it positioned so it's centered right here on the bottom of the rack. And then you pull the bungee forward, and you need to find an anchoring point to latch it onto. Some people might have anchoring points over here on the kayak. We have a little hook right here below the kayak seat that we can latch it onto. So now Larry's just gonna pick it up from the front, and we're gonna show you how easy it is to move it around. There is another cart that we were looking at that centers in the middle of the kayak, which helps support more of the weight, but there's a lot of straps and it just wasn't quite as simple and basic to use. So that's why we decided on this end one, because we're perfectly capable of lifting up the front of the kayak. Even with all of our gear in it, it is still very, very simple to use. So then to take it off, you just unhook your anchoring point, your strap right here, or wherever you put it. Some people might have hooks along here on the top of the kayak or right underneath here. And then you lift it off the cart. And that's it. It's one solid piece. It doesn't fold, which is also nice, so you don't have to worry about folding it and then having to latch it. And it's ready to go, and we just throw it in the back of the truck.